and we are doing around 10, 9, 10 slides session. Got it? But right now, I think you have understood nicely. So I don't think you will have any difficulty in following this chapter. Okay, one of you start reading better. Yes, start reading better. Hello.
मैम कहाँ से?
Chromosomes.
Okay मैम, I can read.
Yeah, you can. You just inform me, give your name, and start reading.
Zain Ali Rajan.
Okay, start reading better.
Chromosomes.
Hello.
Inside chromosomes, inside the fertilizer lies egg or zygote is the instruction for determining the sex of the baby.
Are you finding it difficult to read
This
better? Just a
instruction,
generally,
yes
just a minute.
ma'am,
Are you finding it difficult to read?
yes.
Yes. Okay. So you will not. Someone else will take up the charge. Hitani, can you better? Can you read? Then someone
मैम वो
take up the
नशे
charge.
चला गया वरना वो रीड करता.
Okay. Anyone else is
ये मोहम्मद अली रीड करे.
okay? Ask that person to read better.
मोहम्मद
Ma'am,
अली
can I
रीड
read?
करवाओ मिस्टेक.
Yes, better. Please, please. Yes. Start better.
Chromosomes. Inside the fertilized egg or zygote is the instruction for determining the sex of the body. The
Baby, baby,
instruction is
baby.
present the
It's a baby.
baby.
Then
Baby.
stop it, stop it.
The instruction
Stop it, better.
is
Wait. Now, the fertilized egg. Now, what is fertilized egg called as? Zygote. What is fertilized egg? Zygote. For example, this is the chromosome and this is the egg cell. They unite. Now, the egg cell will have two nuclei. Yes or no? The egg cell will have two nuclei. This is also called as zygote. And then this nuclei fuses. This is also called as zygote. You understand now? Do you understand? Sperm unites with egg. You got two nuclei. That is called zygote. And then when the nuclei fuses, that is also called as zygote. You understand? Hello? Boys, can you hear me? Hello? Boys, can you hear me? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
What had
ma'am.
happened? I mean, I was not getting your voices. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
What had happened in
Yes, ma'am.
between? I mean, there was
Yes.
absolutely silence from your side. I was explaining and I mean, I could not hear you. So I came out. You just inform me when you don't get my voice, okay? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So, when the egg is fertilized, we get zygote. It has got the instruction to determine the sex of the baby, whether it will be baby boy or a baby girl. Yes, continue. Continue better. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please continue.
Ma'am,
This instruction.
this interest
Yeah.
in intestine is present the thread like structure called
Chromosomes.
chromosomes.
Okay. Now, where is this instruction present? It is present in the chromosomes. Now, these are the chromosomes. Can you see this? These are the chromosomes. So, one chromatid
Yes.
with one part of chromosomes will have these dot-like structures. These are the instructions, and these are called as genes. What are they called as? Genes. So this is how you get the characters
Gene.
from your parents. So you look similar, you resemble your parents. Some of the characters are from your mother, some of the characters are from your father. Okay? So these are the instructions that is passed from parents to the babies. Okay. Next. Please read better.
All humans have
No, no, no.
23 pairs of
These chromosomes are present.
th- th- these chromosomes are present inside the include of every
Every cell, every cell. Okay.
cells.
Now you
What?
can see over here, this is the cell. And in the center, we have got a nucleus, right? This is the nucleus. This is the nucleus.
Yes.
So we get all the chromosomes in the nucleus. So we get all the chromosomes in the nucleus. This is how you can see all the chromosomes in the nucleus. Is it clear now? So that is what is
Yes.
observed. This is what you want to. Next, how many pairs we have?
All humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus of that cell. Uh, called
So we have, so how many pairs of chromosomes we have? 23. Now
23,
23 means, 23 pairs means 23 into 2. How much it is beta? 46.
46,
So we have, all of us, all humans have got 46 chromosomes. How many chromosomes beta? 46
46.
chromosomes. Understood now?
Yes.
Yes. Now we'll read chromosomes we have read. Now we'll talk about sex chromosomes, which is very important to determine the sex of the baby. You understand?
Yes.
Do you understand? Okay, let's read.
Sex chromosomes, the two chromosomes out of 23 pairs of chromosomes are sex chromosomes.
That means see,
The, that,
22
that
pairs.
are
Just a moment, beta. 22
yes,
pairs are same. That is, they are XX. In males and females, 22 pairs of chromosomes are XX. Only one pair is different, and that is the sex chromosome. So in male, it is XY, and in female, it is XX. This is the 23rd pair. Which pair it is, beta? This is the 23rd
23.
pair, which is the sex chromosome. You people have got XY chromosomes, and your sister will have XX chromosomes. You understand now?
Yes.
There's a difference between a boy and a girl. Understood, all of you? 8th standard. 8th standard. All of you understood?
Yes.
Okay. So what are the name of the chromosomes? X and Y. Okay. Now let's talk about female.
Female, they have two X chromosomes. A male,
That means
they have
they are
one
they
X
have got
and
two X
one Y
chromosomes
chromosome.
like this. Okay. And male have got X Y chromosome. This is
They
the
have
difference of
one
the
X and
sex.
one Y chromosome.
Yeah. Okay. Now this is the difference. The 23rd pair shows the difference between a male and a female. Have you understood?
Yes.
Let's find out what are the chromosomes in egg and sperm. Egg is female, sperms are males. Let's start. You will understand
Chromosome
something
in
new in
egg
this.
and sperm.
Read better.
The gets met
Gametes. Just a moment.
gametes
Gametes.
gametes egg and sperm have only one set of chromosomes.
Fine. So now if I ask you what you will have in egg, what you will say? XX. Agree?
Yes.
Okay. What will be in sperm? XY. Okay? Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this egg and sperm are called as gametes. So which is the female gamete? Egg. Which is the male gamete? Sperm. Understood? So they have got only one set of chromosomes, that
Yes.
is XX and XY. Now you can see egg over here. This is the egg. You can see this? This is the egg.
Yes.
Okay. Read it better.
Uh, these unfertilized egg always have no one X chromosome.
So fine. It has got only one X chromosome. Understood now?
Yes.
Whereas in sperms,
There are two types. So one kids have
kind, kind,
uh,
kind.
and ka- kind
It is kind
kind
better.
Mister,
One kind.
kind has one kind has an X chromosome and the other kind has a Y chromosome.
Okay. Now, if there are two sperms, for example, this is another sperm, right? So one sperm will maybe X and the other sperm will be Y. You got my point? So both will not have XY. So one sperm will have X chromosome, the other may have Y chromosome. It's like that. Now it depends upon which chromosome fuses with the egg. If X sperm fuses with egg, we will have a female child. If Y chromosome or Y sperm fuses with egg, we will have a male child. You understand now?
Yes.
Okay. Start. Now, how the boys
Development
into boy
into boy. If the sperm combus
contributes. Contributes
co-
better. Contributes. Say
contributes
with me. Yes. Good, good.
contributes a Y chromosome to the egg
Over
of fertilizer over at fertilizer the zygote
fertilization. Better,
for
don't hurry. Read it
yes
slowly. If you're finding it difficult, read it slowly. You're doing very well. You're doing very good. Okay? At fertilization. Say like that.
at fertilization
Fertilization. See how well you're doing? Lization.
the
Very good.
zygote developing into a male child as snow in
Shown.
next
As shown in
snow
next line.
in next slide.
So what does it mean? If the sperm which has got Y chromosome, it fuses with the egg. The zygote would develop into a XY, that is a male child, isn't it? This is what we learned just now. Let's see how the girl is formed. See,
When a sperm
containing,
conta- con- containing
containing,
X chromosome fertilize the egg, the zygote
fertilizes.
fertilize the zygote would have two X chromosomes and develop into a female child
So,
as no in the next slide.
okay, fine. Now, sperm has got X chromosome, egg has got X chromosome, so what we will have? XX. So, obviously, it will develop into a female child. Understood? Understood, beta?
Yes,
Okay. Now, see, this is what I'm going to teach you now. Sex determination in human. You can see over here, the sperm which is having Y. The sperm which is having Y fuses with the egg cell, that is the X. We get a male child, this one. We get a male child. Similarly, sperm having the X chromosome fuses with X of the egg, we get a female child. Any problem? Hello? Did you
no,
understand better? Did you
yes,
understand now nicely?
yes,
So,
yes,
sex of the baby is determined by whom? By father, not by mother. Now, this you have understood? The sex of the baby child is determined by father and not by mother. Do you understand?
yes,
So, what sort of sex chromosomes we get? XY in male and XX in female. Now, we will come to the last topic as such. It is endocrine glands. We have lots of glands in our body. One set of glands is known as endocrine glands, and we'll see their functions one by one. Please read, Beta. If anyone else want to read, you can ask, but I cannot see who are present in this session. So if others, because you have read three, four slides, I think you are doing very good. But I want you to have a break for some time, then you can take on the charge. If someone else wishes to read, uh, you are welcome, better. And if no one comes, then better you continue. Okay? Anyone wants to read better? Boys? Hello? Hello? Does anyone want to read? Can you hear me better? Okay, better, then you continue. Hello? Please continue better. Hello? Hello? Please continue. Please continue reading. Hello? Can you hear me? Chami ma'am, can you please look into the matter? Chami ma'am. Hello? 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 Boys, can you hear me? Boys, can you hear me? Hello? Should I continue or should I wait for you? Hello? 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 Can you hear me better? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me better? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello, boys, listen all. Ma'am is asking you something, so you have to reply. Are you all able to understand, everyone? Boys,
Can you hear me? Hello? 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 बच्चे वो निकली गई थी हेलो मोहम्मद अली कैन यू हियर मी
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ and please answer please read the slide
Endocrine glands and their functions.
okay
Endocrine
I
glands
just want to
produce.
ask you one thing I just want to ask you one thing that I was asking you since last 5 minutes were you able to hear me or not
એમાં બરોબર અવાજ નથી આવતો, કપાઈ કપાઈને આવે.
ગીત શરૂ
okay
કર.
but you were able to hear me
હા બસ હવે સંભળાય છે.
you were able to hear
યસ.
me okay no I went down to the computer lab actually to check whether you were able to hear or not now can you hear me properly okay so please I thought maybe do I have to rejoin or not so that's the reason that I went down now can you hear me properly beta
યસ મિસ.
okay read it
Endocrine glands and their function. Endocrine glands produce chemical substance called hormones which control different functions in the body. The main endocrine glands are pituitary
Pituitary,
gland, thyroid,
thyroid
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 gland, thyroid,
adrenal adrenal
adrenal gland,
pancreas
pancreas,
pancreas
pancreas, taste, and ovary.
testes read properly beta when I'm saying you repeat it testes
Miss, your awaaz is not coming properly.
now now
Yes,
now
miss, अब आ रहा है.
okay
जा रहा है, आ
testes
रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है.
maybe some network problem
Testis,
beta I cannot help it testes and ovary so
testis,
endocrine
and
glands
ovary.
now is it okay hello
Yes,
is it okay now
yes.
Okay. So what are these endocrine glands? They are giving out some chemicals which are known as hormones. And what are the hormones doing? They are doing or they are controlling the functions, different functions, the way the body is behaving, they're controlling those functions. The main endocrine glands are the first one is pituitary, second is thyroid, third is adrenal, fourth is pancreas, fifth is testes, and sixth is ovary. So these glands are being are producing hormones. And let's see how they are controlling the function of a body. Let's start with the first one is pituitary gland. Please read. Yes,
Controls
better.
growth and production of hormones by
Production.
production of hormones by taste and ovary.
It is testes. Read it again.
Testes.
Huh. So what pituitary gland is doing? It is controlling the growth of testes and ovary as well as the hormone which is produced by testes and ovary. Now, if I ask you what are the hormones produced by testes, what will be the answer? What will the answer? Testosterone. What is the answer, beta? Testosterone. So the hormones which is produced by testes is testosterone. And what is the hormone produced by ovary? It is estrogen. Okay. So they are controlling the production of hormones that is testosterone by testes and estrogen by ovary, as well as they are helping the growth of testes as well as ovary. Okay. Now which is the next one? Hello. Which is next gland, beta? Hello. Hello. Which is the next gland? Please continue.
Thyroid gland produce
Okay.
thyroxine.
Thyroxine. Hmm.
Thyroxine. It's a deficiency gas
Deficiency
deficiency gases
causes goiter.
causes swelling of throat.
Okay. Now, thyroid gland is producing the hormone which is named as thyroxine. Now, if you have less thyroxine in the body, then the throat, the neck portion, it starts swelling up. See how it looks like this. So, this is the throat, right? This is the throat. You get a pouch like this. It starts, the whole thing starts swelling. The neck starts swelling. So you must have observed people with swollen throat, some sort of pouch hanging from the neck. That is called as goiter. What it is called, beta? Goiter. The next one is adrenal gland. What it does? Yes, please continue. Hello.
Adrenal gland
Yeah.
produce adrenal. It helps the
Adrenaline.
body adrenaline. It helps the body to adjust stress when we are angry or worried.
Okay. Now, for example, if you are giving an examination before coming to the school, and when you sit to give the exam, sometimes you get butterflies in the stomach. You feel scared, you start sweating, your hands start shivering. Do you feel that? Hello? Hello? Boys, do you feel all this sort of stress? This is due to the production of adrenaline from the adrenal gland. Sometimes you're under stress, sometimes you're very angry, you're frustrated. All these are caused by adrenal gland. Okay? Next, pancreas. Please continue. Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Pancreas produce insulin. It
deficiency,
deficiency causes diabetes.
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 Now, what is the function of pancreas? It produces a hormone called as insulin. Now, if the body is not producing insulin, then the body has to be injected by the insulin injection. Okay. So if our body is not producing enough insulin, then what sort of disease I will have? I will have diabetes. You understand now? So if pancreas is producing sufficient insulin, then the body will be healthy. It will not be diabetic. Okay. So less insulin, the body gets diabetic. Okay. Next one is testes. Please read better.
Testes produce
Strone,
testosterone, which control production of sperms and secondary
sperms,
sexual characteristics
characters.
in males.
Fine. Now, what testis does? It produces the hormone known as testosterone. What is the function of testosterone? It controls the sperm production. Now, where is the sperm production, beta? In the testes. So, it controls the sperm production and also the secondary sexual characters that you observe now in the adolescent period is controlled by what? Testes. All the secondary sexual characters which is happening in your body right now in the adolescent period, you are already in the adolescent period, whatever your body is having secondary sexual characters is being controlled by the testosterone, the hormone which is produced in the testes. Do you understand? Do you understand, beta? Hello? Do you understand? Now next is the last one is ovary. Please.
Produce
Estrogen.
estrogen which controls production of egg and secondary sexual characteristics in females.
Okay. Similarly, likewise, like testes, testosterone is produced in testes. Similarly, estrogen is produced in ovary. Now, what is the function of estrogen? The way sperm is produced by testes, here eggs is produced by ovary. So it controls the production of eggs. And also the whatever the secondary sexual characters is observed in female is being controlled by the hormone named estrogen from the ovary. Understood? Understood better? Yes? Now we will see hormones other than sex hormones. So with sex hormones we have studied. Now we will see some other hormones. Please read. Please read better. Hello. Please read. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read.
The hormones secreted by the
Pituitary.
pituitary stimulate testes
Stimulate.
and ovaries to produce their hormones.
Fine. Now the pituitary is the master gland. I have already told you. Now we know the testosterone is produced in testes and estrogen is produced in ovaries. But they cannot be functional until and unless pituitary glands gives the order. Have you understood what I said? See, hormone
Yes,
testosterone is
ma'am.
produced in testes, estrogen is produced in ovary. It is present there, but it cannot be functional until and unless the master gland, which is near the brain, the pituitary gland, gives the order. You understand? So, pituitary gland, it secretes hormone, another hormone, which regulates the function of testosterone and estrogen. I hope you understood now. So
Yes.
it is controlling, it is a principle of the body, you can say. It is controlling the function of all the hormones, all the endocrine glands which is present in the body. That's why pituitary gland is known as master gland. Yes, next.
Ma'am, lecture is over.
Yeah, just a moment. No, it's not over, beta. I still got 4 minutes.
The
Yes, continue.
pituitary is attached to the brain.
So you know that where's the position of pituitary gland? It is near the brain. Yes.
Apart from the pituitary, there are other endocrine glands in the body such as thyroid, pancreas, and adrenals.
Okay. Besides pituitary, means leave pituitary, there are other glands also. There are thyroid glands, pancreas glands, and adrenal glands. So these are all parts of endocrine glands. Yes. What is this?
Goitre.
Goiter. Say. What is the disease? So you get thyroid gland over here. So this is the thyroid gland, okay? And what does thyroid gland produce? Thyroxine. Please read.
The disease of the thyroid gland. In this disease, the thyroid gland is not producing the hormone thyroxine.
Thyroxine. Thyroxine. Fine. So what is the function of thyroid gland which is present in the throat, in the neck? It has got the hormone which is thyroxine. If the thyroid gland of someone is not producing enough thyroxine, that person will have goiter. That means there will be swelling of the neck. Now let's see what is diabetes.
Diabetes. When pancreas is not producing the hormone insulin in sufficient quantities is known as diabetes.
Okay. Now when the pancreas is not producing the hormone insulin, it's not producing actually, it should be producing the hormone insulin. So what is the function of pancreas? It produces the hormone insulin. Now if the insulin is not in sufficient quantity in the body, that means I have to take the injection of insulin, isn't it? Then I will become diabetic. So the disease diabetes will set in the body if insulin is not produced by pancreas. Okay? Fine. I think now we have come to the close. Were you there, beta, since the beginning, Mohammad Abbas, in the lecture? Yes, Mohammad
Ma'am,
Abbas.
ma'am,
Were
I
you
woke up
present?
late, so
Okay. Were you present in between? Was I audible when you
yes, ma'am.
entered? When you entered the session, was I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you, beta. So we come to a close. Please go through because I think we have lost 5 odd minutes in between because I'm not getting any response from you people. Okay, so that much of time was wasted, but still go through the uploaded video and understand it nicely. If you have problem, you can ask me the next. That is, you can ask me tomorrow. Okay,
Yes,
fine. Bye. Have a good day.
good day.